everyone, my name is Mayar Muhammad and I'm 14 years old.
My name is Abud.
My name is Coco. I am from China.
My name is Muhammad Lutfi.
I started to study here before 5 months ago.
I have studied at Excel for 1 month
I am study here 1 month.
because my cousin told me it is one of the best institute.
I am at learning English. I think this school inviting is very okay.
Because the institute close to the train and Arabic restaurants are behind the institute.
I chose this place because the education here is very strong and very well. And also, this place is near to the train station and my home too.
From China, Kazakhstan, and France, we speak English together.
The nationalities that are studying here are Chinese and Kazakhstanian. But there are other many different nationalities here in different classes.
I study here with different nationality like Korea, China, and Sudan.
The teachers here are very, very well. And they are also kind. They can explain everything clearly and they can pronounce each word specifically and correctly. If you ask them any question, they will directly give you the answer and also explain it for you. They can teach you very, very well and I'm sure that you can understand from them.
My teacher is very friendly and my classmate is very friendly. I think I'm happy.
Because I want to travel and study university.
Because of the teacher helped me, and when I don't understand anything, they come to me and explain.
I visited KLCC and Malacca and Petrojaya.
I have faced KLCC and booked Bintan.
I have visited many places in Malaysia, from them Genting Mountain, Cameron Highlands, and finally 22 Hours.